A genuinely good open model landed on Hugging Face this month, but that's not the story. The story is how it got good. Ornith 1.5 partly trained itself. The credentials, 35 billion parameters, mixture of experts, about 3 billion active per token, MIT licensed. On its own published benchmarks, it beats Qwen 3.6 at the same size across coding and agentic tasks. And on SWE Bench, it edges out a 397 billion parameter model from the previous generation. Worth noting, Ornith was built on top of Qwen and Gemma, a derivative outscoring its own ancestor's flagship. Now the interesting part. Most models learn from a fixed diet, human-curated datasets, human-written problems. That describes Ornith 1.0. It built its own scaffolds, but still practiced on a fixed task set. Version 1.5 closes the loop. 1. It generates its own training tasks. The model creates new problems for itself. 2. It builds its own scaffolds, the tooling and environment it practices in. 3. It rolls out full solutions, and reinforcement learning rewards what works. The loop repeats. Task generation, scaffolds, rollouts, all jointly optimized. The model is the student, the teacher, and the person writing the exam. Why it matters? Human-curated data is the bottleneck for every model. A model that manufactures its own curriculum scales without armies of annotators. The open question, when a model writes its own exams, who makes sure they stay hard? Ornith guards against cheating at test time. But that's hardening the exam room, not the exam. Nobody's answered that yet.